Have you ever turned on your computer and noticed that a bunch of apps start opening on their own? Maybe Spotify pops up, Discord launches, or some random programs slow your PC down before you even do anything. This happens because those apps are set to auto-start. The good news is, you can stop them easily. In this video, I'll show you how to disable startup apps on Windows so your computer boots faster and runs smoother. Let's start with the simplest method, Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or right-click your taskbar and choose Task Manager. Once it opens, click on the Startup Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that launch when your computer starts. Look at the column labeled Startup Impact. It tells you how heavy each app is. To disable an Autostart app, just right-click it and choose Disable. That's it. It won't open automatically next time you turn on your PC. The second method is through Windows Settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, and click Startup. You'll see switches for apps that can start automatically. Turn off anything you don't need. This method is perfect for Windows 10 and Windows 11 users who prefer a cleaner interface. Next, let's talk about Startup Folder, a hidden location where apps add shortcuts to run during boot. Press Windows plus R, type Shell, Startup, and hit Enter. If you see apps inside this folder, delete the shortcuts to stop them from launching automatically. Now for the more advanced users, MSConfig. Open the Run box again, type MSConfig, and go to the Startup tab. This will redirect you to Task Manager, but in older versions of Windows, it allows deeper control over startup services. Before you disable everything, here's an important tip. Only turn off apps you recognize. Some startup items belong to drivers or system functions, so leave anything from Microsoft, Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, or your antivirus. Once you clean your startup apps, you'll notice your PC boots faster, feels lighter, and responds instantly when you log in. A few clicks can make a huge difference in performance. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.